And of course, before I do my install, I'm going to get up close and personal on this wig because I want you girls to see what this 5x5 closure wig looks like, because it is a different wig structure than what I normally receive. So the first thing that is common is this elastic band, which I think is pretty much standard with all wigs now. Now this wig again is a 5x5 closure wig. It is like this dome structure wig. It does not come with any other additional elastic bands that normally would come in the back of the wig. It does not come with any combs, but it does come with like this dome structure, what I feel like is still going to be able to fit my head pretty good. Now this wig does come with a pre-cut lace. I feel like it's going to work out pretty good with just having this elastic band, but I really don't know, y'all. So I'm anxious to see like how convenient and how easy this wig is going to be, given that it does come with the pre-cut lace, but I don't really know because it doesn't have any combs and it doesn't have no other bands. So I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on, flip this bad boy on, and see how it feels. Okay, so I'm not even gonna hold y'all. The wig does feel like secure. It's not super tight, but it does feel secure. Like I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. And so here I'm just showing you girls what the actual 5x5 closure looks like on my head. It is a good amount of parting space, so I'm honestly not even mad about that. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Now I do kind of wish that the hairline was more on the pre-plucked side, honestly, but it's not bad. It is definitely doable. I'm not tripping. I definitely feel like it is beginner friendly, and it's definitely something that is like you can work with this. So I'm going to do like a bust down middle part simply because the hair is straight, and this is going to be like a real easy install. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start by just getting this middle part as flat as possible and trying to make this wig not look wiggy, because it's definitely giving wiggy vibes right now. So as you guys can see, even though this wig is a 5x5 lace frontal wig and the parting space is very limited, that bust down is perfect. Like the parting space on this wig is not a game. Super nice. Now I do feel like the hairline could definitely be plucked a little bit more. So if you want to go in and pluck, you know, lightly, you can do so. Or if you want to be heavy handed, you can do so. Like you can definitely customize the hairline on this wig and make it look nice. But you know, you don't have to worry about securing, you know, lace from ear to ear. And that's one thing that I do like about these 5x5 closure wigs. You don't have to worry about doing, you know, doing too much. So I did decide to go in and pluck the hairline because it was just giving wig vibes, and I ain't like that. So I'm gonna do like, you know, some baby hairs because I just wanted to do that. That's just what I do. So as y'all can see, by just adding the baby hairs and plucking the hairline just a little bit has definitely already transformed the wig. Now you can definitely do this wig, of course, with no baby hairs. You can definitely do this wig without doing anything to the hairline. This is totally optional. However, I do feel like if you just, go in and pluck the hairline, even if it's lightly, it will just, transform the wig just a little bit. So I do highly recommend doing that because this wig did not come pre-plucked at all, and it does take away like the whole wiggy look or whatever. So I am going to go in and just flat iron the hair and just add some heat to it. Now they said that this was like 22 inches, but baby, this is not 22 inches. This gotta be like 24 inches because ain't no way. So yeah, let me just add some heat, honey, and get this hair straightened, and I'll be back. So as you guys can see, the wig is already starting to transform and look good, and it literally did not take me much effort or skills to be able to make this wig look like a frontal. Like literally, I just pulled out some of the baby hairs, plucked the hairline a little bit, added some heat, and this is the results. Honestly, this wig turned out really, really nice, and for it to be a 5x5 closure wig, I am surprised. So I would definitely recommend this wig for the conveniency. I would definitely recommend this type of wig for just a super easy install. The lace, oh baby, we didn't even talk about the lace. Melted, melted. I was surprised. And the simple fact that I ain't even had to cut the lace, like that took off a couple minutes as well. Really wasn't a big deal, to be honest with you, but like it's an extra step that I didn't have to worry about, so I'm not tripping. But this is a beautiful wig. 5x5 closure wigs, I always feel like is a vibe because you don't have to worry about, like securing a full lace, bleaching a full lace, styling a full lace. Like I feel like it's always a win. But yeah, they did their thing on this wig for sure. So I'm gonna make sure I leave the details, coupon codes, and all that good stuff below in the description bar. Make sure you guys check out Asteria hair. They always have bomb hair. So thank you so much for watching. See you girls in the next video. Bye.